Hi, I'm Rich Brown, Senior Editor for CNET.com. Today we're going to take a look at Apple's new 2 terabyte time capsule. So the time capsule, if you're unfamiliar, is both a wireless router and a network-attached storage device. It comes in a simple little box. In the front here, there's a little indicator light that tells you when it's powered on. And on the back, you can see just a basic set of ports. You have a power input, you've got the network input there, a couple other network outputs. There's a lock right here, and here you have a USB port. So network inputs look like any standard router. The USB port is also pretty straightforward. It can take a printer or an extra external hard drive. You can access both those devices over the network when it's connected, or you can connect a USB hub and connect both those devices at the same time. So with this update, Apple has moved to 2 new hard drives. There's a 2 terabyte drive in this $299 model, and there's a $499 model that comes with a 3 terabyte drive. That seems like a pretty big markup on the higher end, so we recommend the 2 terabyte model for its overall value. So with that update, Apple has actually improved the time capsule's value equation. For $299, the time capsule gives you a 2 terabyte drive and wireless routing. That's roughly the same price as you pay for a similar 802.11n wireless router and a separate external NAS drive. For performance, we've found that Apple's made its new time capsule a little bit faster than the older model too. On our wireless speed tests, it performed either at the top or near the top on both the 2.4 gig and 5 gig wireless bands. We also found that for its hard drive performance, it's pretty good, but not quite as good as a dedicated NAS drive. If you have a router and an external hard drive attached, compared to that, this is one of the fastest devices around. Next to a dedicated NAS drive, although its write speed is actually pretty fast, its data read speed is slower. So what that means to us then is that the time capsule is pretty much meant for Wi-Fi routing and as a great backup device. It might not be the best device to share large data files between multiple systems on a network, but overall we find this a pretty good deal, especially for a consumer-level Wi-Fi router and network-attached storage device. So I'm Rich Brown. This is Apple's new 2 terabyte time capsule.